Oh, hi. The digestive system breaks down large food molecules, absorbs the needed energy and nutrients from food, and disposes of waste. The system is a continuous tube leading from the mouth to the anus. The large intestine is a point for collection of waste before disposal. The large intestine leads the waste to the rectum where it gets ready to leave the body.
The muscular system is the system that enables the body to move. There are three main types of muscle: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscle uses voluntary movement and attaches to the skeleton with tendons. Examples of skeletal muscles are the triceps and biceps. When you extend your arm, your tricep is contracting and your bicep is relaxing. When you bend your arm, the tricep relaxes and the bicep contracts.
Oh, hello there. The integumentary system is made up of skin, nails, and hair. It provides a thin layer of protection from temperature, bacteria, and any other harmful objects. Skin is a major part of this system. It covers the entire body and protects it from infections. The skin has three layers: the dermis, epidermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis contains the sweat pores and protects from the sun using melanin. The dermis contains the hair follicle, sebaceous gland, muscle, and controls temperature using the sweat gland. The hypodermis is the deepest layer that has a layer of fat to protect the organs.
An immune system is a system of biological structures and processes within an organism that protect against disease. To function properly, an immune system must detect a wide variety of agents, from viruses to parasitic worms, and distinguish them from the organism's own healthy tissue. Pathogens can rapidly evolve and adapt to avoid detection and destruction by the immune system. As a result, multiple defense mechanisms have also evolved to recognize and neutralize pathogens. Even simple unicellular organisms such as bacteria possess a rudimentary immune system in the form of enzymes that protect against bacteriophage infections.
The nervous system provides fast communications between body parts. One major part of the nervous system is the neurons. There are three main types of neurons. Sensory neurons have dendrites that pick up stimuli and send impulses to the central nervous system. Interneurons are only found in the central nervous system. They transmit information from the sensory neurons to the correct motor neurons. Motor neurons then receive the information and carry the impulses to the muscles.
Ow! Sorry, it was just a reflex. The endocrine system controls the chemical messengers of the body, or hormones. These go to many different types of target tissue and cause different reactions depending on the hormone. The pituitary gland, or also called master gland, controls many of these reactions. The growth hormone, for instance, is controlled by negative feedback, and the hypothalamus creates releasing factors, which trigger the anterior pituitary to release the hormone, and it goes to muscles and bones and causes increased development.
The skeletal system supports and provides structure for the human body. It consists of connective tissues, cartilage, ligaments, and bones. One of the major parts of this system is the joints. One example of a joint is the elbow joint. The elbow is a freely movable hinge joint. This means it can move back and forth freely. This joint provides structure for the arm so it can bend.
FSH and testosterone are two hormones that start the development of sperm. The main function of the male reproductive system is to produce and deliver sperm. The testes are located outside of the body inside the scrotum. The scrotum is a sac that keeps the testes cooler than body temperature. Sperm develops at lower temperatures. Sperm are produced in the seminiferous tubules located within each testis. Seminal fluid nourishes sperm and protects them from the acidity of the female reproductive tract. The combination of sperm and seminal fluid is called semen. The sperm cell consists of three main parts: a head, which contains the nucleus, a midpiece, which contains mitochondria, and a tail, which propels the cell forward.
The circulatory system circulates blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout the body. The system contains veins, capillaries, arteries, and some organs. One major organ is the heart. Oxygenated blood travels from the lungs to the heart, where it is sent to the organs. Unoxygenated blood goes from the organs to the heart, where it is sent back to the lungs.
The lymphatic system returns fluids that are lost by the bloodstream back to the circulatory system. It also helps filter the baddies from the bloodstream. The lymph nodes trap disease-causing pathogens. They become enlarged when more of these pathogens enter them. The fluid that leaves the circulatory system for the inflammatory response sometimes does not enter back into the bloodstream, causing a condition called edema.